Guys, check this out. This is called active geometry. It opens up when the tire moves. Look at it opening up there. Because it's all closed off. All of this is closed, so this needs to move. This is the BMW Vision Next 100. It opens with a sensor here. There we go. This is Christian. Thank you very much. Awesome. So I'm just going to show you around this car. It's in driving mode right now. Steering wheel is out. All of this is in red. Now, if you put it in autonomous mode, press this. Wheel disappears and this little diamond comes out. And this light goes on to tell pedestrians that the car is now driving by itself. The coolest thing is this. Check out what these little diamonds do here. These little triangles. Look at that. It's like a reptile skin. It's almost like it's breathing. What that does is when the car detects an object that you can't see, it will let you know by kind of moving these little triangle shapes on the dash. Come and take a look outside. Here's that light flashing for people to know that it's in autonomous mode. You hear a little click. And this one. You see how much space there is here in this car. These seats, almost like lounge chairs, the back of the car. This car is fully drivable. You actually do use the pedals and the steering wheel to drive it. Better get out of the way.